Subscribe to Film Companion for your film fix. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
My god, I'd forgotten how much fun Saif and Rani are on screen together. Still the OGs, still hilarious. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review. And I know I am not going to be reviewing Bunty or Bubbly too.
जी हाँ, बंटी और बबली
15 years since Rakesh and Vimy, urf Bunty and Bubbly, have taken voluntary retirement, there is another suddenly romantically involved young, good-looking, Hindi-speaking couple out on the loose, pulling similar heists and cons. So while the police searches for them, so do Bunty or Bubbly, क्योंकि उनकी brand का सवाल है, images on the line. In 2021, when all the rules of all the games have completely changed, Bunty और Bubbly के ego पर बनाई है. And more than wanting to catch the criminals, they need to prove to themselves and the world around them that they still have it. I'm guessing writer-director Varun V. Sharma created this plot as fan fiction, as a Bunty Bubbly Kajrare enthusiast, wondering what the world would look like if these two went back to work in 2021. The result is a fun, self-aware comedy where Rakesh is now an overweight railways employee जो बालों में मेहंदी लगाता है रोज, and Vimy is a stay-at-home mother जिसकी life हर रोज Met Gala है. She copies Sabyasachi designs for her own wardrobe, and the highlight of her year इस मोहल्ले में जो फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं where she can show off her dance moves. While Rakesh and Vimy are chilling back to छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली बोर दोपहरों से lifestyle, Saif and Rani are having the time of their lives with these characters. It is incredibly entertaining to see them dance and do kalabazi on stage to a song which literally goes Dik Chick. In has-been chores की life में अगर excitement की opportunity अब यही बची है तो they are not going to let even a single moment pass them by. On the other hand, Siddhant Chaturvedi and Sharvari play Bunty Bubbly too, a newer, more tech-savvy duo looking to get rich quickly as possible. While talented and extremely attractive actors, the film fails to make these two interesting. Sharvari is so good in some scenes, particularly one sequence where she's playing a woman from the PMO. Successfully, she sells Ganga to the mayor of the town. But unlike Rani and Abhishek from the original, here we don't know anything about these two new ones. You barely even hear their real names throughout the film, Kunal and Sonia. You know, छुप छुप के चोरी से चोरी उस गाने में young con artists had just made money. They were naive, they were in love, they drove a Maruti Swift, I think, and they had an idea of what rich people's lives must be. Go watch the video on YouTube again and you will see that the frames are lit up with the light of 1,000 dreams suddenly alive in Bunty Bubbly's eyes. Their song is about chori, the thefts they've been doing. The lyrics then turn to Bunty ki Bubbly aur Bubbly ka Bunty, Bunty ki Bubbly hui. It is a ballad of first love. Gulzar. Jaideep Sahni. Here, you get the new ones, drive around Goa, jump off luxury yachts into the water as one does when one suddenly comes into money. But as their audience, you don't feel like you're a part of their success in any way. क्योंकि कुछ भी तो नहीं पता हमें इन दोनों के बारे में. You're not invested in their partnership because it doesn't feel like one. चांद का टीका मत्थे लगा के रात दिन तारों में जीना वीना looks too easy for these two. Okay, I'll stop with the lyrics. अच्छा, तीसरी पार्टी भी तो है. Pankaj Tripathi takes over as the main police wala this time and is unintentionally disorderly in his many failed attempts to bring about order. But unlike Dashrath, played by Amitabh Bachchan, Pankaj Tripathi's Jatayu is not the main foil to the new Bunty Bubbly's plans. It is Saif and Rani. And the film is a riot when Saif and Rani are on screen. All the jokes land. They both really lean into the slapstick of it all, running, falling, yelling. Even Rani Mukherjee, I was so pleasantly shocked, is making fun of herself. And once you've seen them, it's impossible to settle for watching Siddhant and Sharvari. While very compelling and competent, but they pale in comparison. जब नए बंटी बबली के heists चल रहे हैं, while you know that Rakesh and Vimy are also there somewhere in the background, the screenplay flounders about a bit. लेकिन thankfully the pace picks right up as soon as Rani and Saif reappear. The movie ends with a dance number, Tattoo Waliye, where all the four leads are together on screen, which is mad fun, but only and only proves Saif and Rani can still run circles around anyone bold enough to share screen space with them together. Movie theaters में है, mask पहनो, देख कर आओ. Film Companion subscribe कर लें. This week I've got 2 reviews, धमाका also.